Hello, welcome back to my cooking show. Oh, Jonas, you're in the shot. Today we are going to be making a mug cake, which sounds disgusting. What you need is 2 tablespoons of butter, an egg, some sugar. You're supposed to have white sugar, but I don't have white sugar. I just have raw sugar.
Dude, you might know.
It looks like this. And you need some milk, which it's in the fridge.
He needs some milk.
And you need some flour.
Cook that egg in flour.
And you need some baking soda. So, the first thing you do is you take your butter. You're gonna unwrap the thing and you're gonna put it into your little mug here. And then you're gonna melt it in the microwave.
Hopefully it doesn't.
So I'm too scared to melt this in the microwave. So I'm just gonna stab it. It's soft. I'm just gonna stab it to death with my fork. All right, now that my butter is nice and melted, you're gonna add 1 egg. And that's how you be a chef. Then you're gonna whisk your egg. Something tells me my butter wasn't melted enough. Now you're supposed to use 4 tablespoons of white sugar. But I don't own any white sugar, as I said at the beginning. So this might not work with my raw sugar. Probably, yeah, I don't know if this is safe or no. Then you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of whole milk, which I don't have. You're supposed to have whole milk, but I have 2%, 1%, because whole milk is basically glue. 2 tablespoons of this. Then you're gonna whisk that. Ew. The guy in the video says make sure to get the sides. So it looks really gross. I don't know if I'm doing this right. I thought it was the butter that was making this all clumpy and nastiness. So I put it in the microwave to melt the butter, but that just made it worse because I guess it wasn't the butter. I don't know what's going on, but I'm just going on to the next step. Next is 6 tablespoons of flour. So I lost count of how many tablespoons I put in. I think I might have put in 7. It says stir until you get a batter-like consistency. Oh! I forgot a step. Add a teaspoon of baking soda. Stir till you get a batter-like consistency. Okay. Now you microwave for 40 to 50 seconds. It's supposed to rise, and if it starts rising too early, let it cool for a second, then start cooking again. Mine looks disgusting. I think I used too much batter. The video said that if you have too much, if it's over the halfway point, then you're supposed to take a little bit out. Mine was like a tiny bit over the halfway point. You're supposed to stir it if it rises too high. So mine's done, I think. I don't really know. It looks like a baby threw up. But I'm gonna try it. Tastes like a pancake, a salty pancake. Oh, wow. I'm really getting the egg. The egg is very present, but it smells like an egg. It doesn't taste bad, but I mean, if you want to try something new, then do this, but if you don't, I mean, I'd give it like a 3 out of 5 mainly because it was fun, but it doesn't taste great. So, the end.